So hi everyone. We'll be going through this slides and the role and career progression in business analysis. And these slides basically would give you a balcony view of what a career in business analysis looks like. And we'll be going over business analysis as a role, business analysis career, required skills for business analysis career, job prospects and salary range, and we'll analyze the available jobs within the market, and then questions and answers. And feel free to type in your questions within the chat, and we'll get around to it after. So about myself, my name is Basil Nwogu, as I said earlier, and I have 16 years in IT and business analysis. And my capabilities involve facilitation, change management, solution design, UI mockup design, process mapping, research analysis, documentation, requirement gathering and elicitation, Agile, Scrum, Waterfall, business intelligence, data analysis, SQL, Lean Six Sigma, and the whole Monty. And my hobbies, career, mentorship, reading and watching movies. And I have certain certifications I'm aspiring towards, such as SAFe 6.0, TOGAF, ProSci, AWS certifications. Business analysis as a role. So really, what is business analysis? It's simply the discipline of identifying business needs, analyzing processes and recommending solutions to enhance efficiency, productivity, and profitability. And it involves understanding the goals, strategies, and requirements of an organization and translating them into tangible outcomes. In simple terms, it's basically being the liaison between the business and technology. So you're the middleman, you understand the business terms and you understand technical terms, and you can translate business terms to the technology people who would implement solutions that would meet those business needs. And so here is a summary of your role as a business analyst. You're the liaison between stakeholders, project teams, and technical experts. You gather, document, and analyze business requirements, translating them into actionable insights, and you work collaboratively to identify problems, identify opportunities for improvement, and propose innovative solutions. And then you facilitate effective communication, manage stakeholder expectations, and ensure project success. So basically, you would be doing a lot of leadership, facilitation, and translating of business problems into workable solutions. And the business analysis career. So we hear business analysis. It's basically like the umbrella that houses a lot of other diverse roles. And it now depends on whether the company you're in is, data centered or pushing you towards process improvement, or they are doing strategic planning. So it depends on what you are required to do at that time, and that would determine the title of the role. And it could be systems analyst, data analyst, business systems analyst, IT business analyst, process analyst, requirement analyst, product analyst, operations analyst, financial analyst, market research analyst, business intelligence analyst, quality assurance analyst, risk analyst, strategy analyst. It could be project management analyst, or things like that. So it's really diverse. And basically what it means is you use the skills as a business analyst, and you use them to solve diverse areas of business problems. And these five non-technical roles would be process analyst, requirement analyst, product analyst, operations analyst, strategy analyst. And the five technical ones are systems analyst, data analyst, business systems analyst, IT business analyst, quality assurance analyst. Now, we require skills, to work efficiently as business analyst, both technical and non-technical skills. And the non-technical skills involve or include your analytical thinking as a business analyst, obviously, communication and facilitation, problem solving, domain knowledge, knowing about the domain you're working in, whether it is banking domain or it is mining and industry or petroleum, you have to know about the domain. Collaboration and stakeholder management, you have to work well within teams. Negotiation, you have to push back when you're required to. Adaptability and flexibility. Business process knowledge, you have to know the business process. Documentation and reporting, and continuous learning. And then the top 10 technical skills include data analysis, business process modeling, requirements management tools, software development lifecycle, user interface design, basic programming concepts, database concepts, data visualization tools, enterprise resource planning systems, quality assurance, and testing. And we have 5 hybrid skills. Knowledge of frameworks and standards, knowledge of data analytic tools, e.g. MS Excel, Power BI, use of presentation tools, e.g. MS PowerPoint, collaborating tools, e.g. Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, agile project management tools, for example, Jira. And on the right, you see a couple of tools, techniques that are also pasted there. And these techniques usually come in handy, knowing about MOST, these are acronyms, SWOT, your Moscow analysis, your CATWO, the 5 whys, 6 thinking hats. And these are the prospects and salary range for a business analyst here in Canada. For entry level business analyst, between 50,000 to 7,000 per year. For a senior business analyst, 70,000 to 100,000. Lead or principal business analyst, 90 to 130,000 per year. And business analysis manager, 100 to 150,000 per year. And head of business analysis, 135,000 to 175,000 per year. And these are totally dependent on the organization and location. And this is, something similar for consultant business analysts. The roles are different, but the salary ranges are similar. So for a consultant, your growth will be from business analyst to junior consultant to senior business analyst to manager, principal, partner. And if you look at the job market, you can readily see that there are several jobs on the regular for business analysts. And on the left is Indeed. And if you check Indeed for a narrowed search within, a narrow search within Milton, Ontario, within 25 kilometers, you're already seeing 165 job postings on Indeed, just within a small radius. And then if you check on LinkedIn and type in business analyst for Toronto, Ontario, Canada, you're seeing 4,230 results. And this is, this is always going to be the case because the roles, the business analysis roles will always be relevant. And this is a roadmap for a business analyst. So you can come from, school. You can make entrance into the business analysis career through school or through, several roles you've held within your office. So through school, it could be a business analysis degree or diploma. It could be information technology degree or diploma. It could be a business analysis certificate or diploma. And that would, help you make an entrance into the business analysis career. And in the office, you could have transferable skills from your information technology, programming, or quality assurance, support, sales, customer service. You could be a subject matter expert, within operations or whatever, and have those transferable skills that can be joined with, business analysis techniques, structured approach to business analysis work. And that would help you make an inroad into the business analysis career. And within the business analysis career, you could be a functional business analyst. So I will gloss over this as I've mentioned them earlier. And let me put on my pointer. So as a business analyst, having made an entrance into the business analysis career, you can go on to become an intermediate business analyst, a senior business analyst, a lead business analyst, if you're going the linear path, a manager of business analysis. And you can see this dotted line, you can end up as a CIO or whatever up in the C-suite, or you can branch out here into, being a partner in consulting, or you can, go on to becoming a management consultant. So the possibilities are endless, and there is no box that can hold, your career in. So what will be the next steps, after this session? It's for you to go ahead and register for the boot camp, where you'll be exposed to technical and non-technical skills for a business analyst. And the curriculum that would be covered are right here, which is the business analysis fundamentals, initial activities, requirement elicitation and analysis, requirement documentation, Scrum fundamentals, change management concepts, process mapping, Excel, SQL, and data fundamentals. You would also have capstone projects. And capstone projects are real life projects that would help you, get your feet wet and help you hit the ground running when you actually land a role within the practice. And then, like mentioned by the facilitator, there would be resume and interview skills building, to help you cover all your ACEs for this career path. And thank you so very much. I will be fielding your questions right now.